Hello guys, today's video is about Cisco system. Cisco is a multinational technology company. Their headquarters is in San Jose, California, United States. It is a global leader in networking, hardware, software, and related services. Cisco designs, sells, and solves the range of products. These products are related to the networking. Cisco solves the networking problems. Cisco offers collaborations, tools, and solutions. Cisco has a strong security focus on cybersecurity. What is the Internet of Things? Cisco provides networking technology and solutions for IoT deployment, services and support. Cisco provides a wide range of services that includes training programs. These services help customers manage their network effectively. So in this video there are lots of points of Cisco, but there are too many for me to say. So just keep on watching and it'll say for you. So I'll see you in the next video and like and subscribe. Goodbye.